Lady Lake 322 back to county. Final stop's going to be behind the Papa John's and the Best Buy Plaza.
Sorry for taking. I didn't know if I was supposed to pull over back there or not.
You're good.
Okay.
All right. Hands up. Thank you. Driver's license, registration, insurance.
Okay.
Thank you. You got any weapons in the vehicle?
I don't think so.
Okay. So whose truck is this?
Joe Michaels. I'm an employee.
Okay. So this tag does not come back to this vehicle. This tag's not assigned to any vehicle.
Well, I don't know that. If you look, I'm a construction guy, so I do. Oh, hands
Okay,
up.
but as the driver of the vehicle, you're responsible for it. You have to make sure that it's legal.
I don't know all
Which is
that.
why I'm going to ask you for your insurance, your registration
She did
as
it all.
well.
She did
And
it.
she's okay. Great.
I work right, not trying to turn fast toward you. Right here at Lady Lakes, we're putting the pot bellies on.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that? What kind of restaurant is that?
It's Sandwich Shop. I've been working there for 5 months putting that place on.
It's kind of like Subway. Yeah.
Oh, all right.
It opens Saturday. Or
And we're open
Saturday and
Saturday.
Wednesday.
No, get my updated one.
I don't have your updated one.
Sure. You give me 1 second, please.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where the information on the truck is. I don't know that stuff, you know.
Well, good thing you got her with you, huh?
We've been there, like I said, for 5 months. And,
Okay, hold on. It's in here.
Is that your license?
Outdated ones. She's gonna find it real quick. Give me a second. I got
Okay.
it.
Do you have a Florida license?
No.
No. Where do you live?
Okay, so look. What's up there?
I ain't getting shot looking for stuff, though.
I'm just saying.
Hang on. It's all here.
That's not hurting my hand.
My eyes ain't good. Just give it a second here.
This is for work. This is a delivery I got.
No, but look, come on.
All right. So you don't have registration, you don't have insurance, and all you have is an out-of-date driver's license.
I gotta know my driver's license up to date.
Okay.
This is my
But
old
that's
truck.
the one that you have.
Yeah.
Is an out-of-date.
I mean, we could call the old owner of the truck.
And the tag that's attached to this truck does not belong on this truck. And I'm going to go check the sticker as soon as I get another officer here because it doesn't look right to me. It looks odd. I'm just going to say that. So.
I'm just driving. I don't know.
Okay.
This is
Can I get in trouble for that?
Absolutely.
Like what kind of trouble?
As you're the driver of the vehicle, you're responsible for it. It should be in legal status as you're driving it down the road. So if the tag attached isn't a sign and you can't provide me a tag for it, it's going to get towed.
Oh, come on.
I can't let you drive a vehicle on the road. You can't provide me insurance. You have no valid registration. The tag that's attached to it is not assigned to this vehicle. It's a non-licensed. It's not a licensed vehicle. You can't drive it on the road.
Maybe it's someone swap tags. I don't know. You can check it. It should be legal. But nothing else. Can I park it right at her work right here? My work's right there.
We'll talk about that.
Oh, here.
Okay. All right.
What do you got in your wallet? Will you check that for me?
What do I got in my wallet?
No, you have your ID in your wallet. Your valid ID.
Yeah, no, that's the only one he has.
Okay. All right.
Just look it up.
Okay, hang tight for me. I'll be right back. Hey, I didn't want to look at that. Yeah, that's what I thought. That sticker. That's what I thought. That tag's not attached. Lake 322 County 65 DLY number out of Missouri. Lima 107-232-003, Walter Long. Oh, lovely. No, different guy. Go ahead. $26, thank you. Huh, no pen. Go figure. Open your door.
Right here, this explains why.
Yeah, it was a wrecked truck. Whoever operates
It was a total truck within a.
There's other places where the vin's at. Yeah, I know that.
All right.
I'm not
So
trying to
we're
tell
gonna
nobody.
have to find it on the vehicle. I need a VIN.
Right there.
Okay. Thank you.
There could be, yes. I don't know. There could be. Cause I always got a gun, but I don't know if I brought it. That's why I won't touch nothing. So I'm trying to tell you why. I didn't know.
So I asked you that earlier if you had any weapons in
I
the
didn't
vehicle.
know.
You told me
Like-
no, and now you
No.
said I could have a gun. I don't know.
Okay, but I don't
Ma'am,
know.
you get back in.
Okay.
You get back in. We're gonna deal with you one at a time.
Okay, you're fine. You're fine. You're
You
fine.
want both of them back there?
You're
All right.
fine.
Walk back here. I got.
You can sit on the bumper. Okay, you're fine.
Let me grab his wallet. There's stuff in there with names. It has the same name that he provided here. Yeah.
Unknown caller.
Hello. So, this guy's on the FBI most wanted list if this is him, but he's kind of changed his fucking description.
It's odd that the tattoo on his leg he said was burnt off. This Mr. Long, one more thing for me. Can you turn around and lift your shirt? Show this officer your back, please. All the way. There you go. That's good. Nope.
Oh, I'm sorry. What do you want to do?
Come on.
Slide the arm out. Slide this arm out.
And then put your arms behind your back.
What?
Put your hands behind your back.
All right. All right. Ah.
Stop
I'm not
fucking
moving.
pulling
I'm
from
not
it,
pulling
okay?
nowhere.
Hey, back the fuck up.
Stay back.
Back
Stay
up.
back.
Fucking cuss at me!
Stay back. Stay back.
I have had back surgery!
Good for you. Stop yelling. Unless you want to go to jail too.
Shut up.
I'm
Shut
sure
up.
Missouri would love
Shut
you
up.
for your warrant.
Shut up.
Exactly.
Shut up. You're fine.
Are you going to calm down or do you want handcuffs?
She's fine.
You're calm? Good. Thank you. Alyssa, do you have someone you can call that can pick you up? Is this your phone in your vehicle? Okay.
Yes, my ring there. Who do I call? Who do I call?
Just calm down, okay? I just want you calm, okay? Thank you.
I'll send that off.